Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Tekken 8 game and check within, then you will not find any settings to change your language. So that means that you will need to use the Steam client application to change the language within this game. So go ahead and open up the Steam application, and once it is opened up, tap on Library to view all of your games. From here, click on the Tekken 8 game, and now from the game page, click on the gear icon and then click on Properties. Now within the Properties page, you will see the language drop-down menu. Click on the currently chosen language, and now you can choose from the list of various different languages that are available for the game. Click on whichever one you wish, and once it is selected, the next time you open up the game and start playing, your chosen language will have been applied already, and now you can enjoy this game with your chosen language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.